Hi everyone! In this video, we will fill out a contingency table. The contingency table shows the distribution of fans at a concert. Complete the table. Find the probability that a randomly chosen fan is an adult, given that they have floor seats. The first thing we need to do is find all of the blanks in our contingency table. To do that, we just take our totals and subtract the parts that we've been given. So in our first row, we know that the balcony seats for adults will be the total of 112 subtract the floor seats, 75. 112 minus 75 is 37. The next row, the balcony seats for the children will be the total of 93 and subtract the floor seats of 62, giving us 31. Then the last ones that we have empty are totals. So we can just add the floor seats together to give us the total amount of floor seats. 75 plus 62 is 137. The total of everything we can actually add in either direction. We can add our totals horizontally or vertically. If we do vertically, we have 112 plus 93, which is 205. Adding them horizontally, we get 137 plus 68, which also equals 205. That's a nice way to just double check that we did all of our arithmetic correctly. Now, the next part is to find the probability that a randomly chosen fan is an adult, given that they have floor seats. So we're looking for a conditional probability given the condition that they have floor seats. And I like this keyword given. That is our line here, given that they have floor seats. So the second part is floor, given that they have floor seats. And the first part is the probability that the randomly chosen fan is an adult will be the first part of the probability. Now we go look at our contingency chart, and this last part, given that they are on the floor, tells us which of the columns or rows that we need to go look for. So we're going to look for a column or row that is only floor seats. And in this case, it is a column. So I'm going to circle our column that we need to look at. We don't need to look at any of the others for this probability. So looking at this, we now need to go find how many have floor seats, and this will be the total for the bottom of the probability. And I'd like to look at that as well. This second part goes on the bottom. The first part goes in the numerator. The total number of people who have floor seats is 137. And we were asked to find the probability that that randomly chosen fan is an adult. So we'll go look in our chart or our table for the adults in the floor, which is right here, 75. Now we can plug that into our calculator, which gives us 0.5474, and it keeps going. Let's go ahead and round this to the second decimal place. The 7 is above 5, so this rounds to 0.55. And now we've completed our contingency table and our conditional probability, and we're all done.